Hey, we're here on the timeout couch with Bob, our mechanical wizard here. He's been working too hard, so I told him to sit down for a couple minutes. We'll give you guys have a little question period here. So Bob has been with us for how long?
6 months almost.
6 months. It feels like forever though. You know, we're a fairly new business here, and Bob's been with us for about 6 months. So Bob, your background is in, you fix pretty much anything, but what is your specialty?
Yeah, actually I'm a refrigeration guy. I do HVAC, heating and ventilation too. And since I find this shop and you interview me, I liked it because I want to be in a different field other than my field. So I agreed to work with you. So I start doing it in, I don't know, so many different equipments around here. And he's happy, I think so, because I'm doing almost all the troubleshooting in ovens, grills, whatever, I don't know, whatever he brings to me, I'm just...
You have yet to not fix something. He has yet to leave us hanging on something. So when I hired him, he said his background was refrigeration, which is a bonus for me. And then he's been able to basically troubleshoot anything we need for other equipment, whether it's dishwashers, ovens, just anything like that. So he's definitely, he earns the Employee of the Day award a good 2 or 3 times a week, I would say. Peaches is here too, the little dog. She's good at just standing around and barking at people, but we're glad to have Bob here. So if you're in the city here and you end up calling us for a service call, Bob will be smiley faced at your door, fix you up with what you need. And if you have any questions too, you feel free to give us a call. You can chat with Bob about troubleshooting anything you have questions with over the phone. And that's about it. Anything else, Bob?
Yeah, as per my profession, I have a diploma holder in mechanical engineering, having almost 20 years experience in HVAC, refrigeration and in all the fields. And especially nowadays I am doing different type of jobs. I love to do that because every day a challenge in front of me. I am just facing it and doing it for my best for it.
Right on. Like I said, he's an awesome employee. We're glad to have him, and I hope he's with us until he retires.